إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear companions, Assalamu alaikum. Today I speak with the pain. Today I speak with the emotions. Today I speak with the guilty. Today I speak with a heavy heart. A heart that cries for the oppressed. A heart that cries for the justice. A heart that cries for the freedom. A heart that cries for Palestine. My brothers, look how beautiful Quran mentions important and value of Palestine in chapter 15, Surah Bani Israel, verse number 1. Glory to him who took his man by night from Masjidul Haram to Masjidul Aqsa. Palestine is not even a war or not even a tragedy. It is more than 75 years of a terrible pain, terrible sacrifices, broken hearts, broken dreams, broken homes, injustice, inequality, cruelty, and so on. But the more than 75 years of where every child is born under the bomb, and every child is born under the bomb, and every mother buries her own child. A father can hold nothing except the dead body of his beloved one. But the world remained dumb, blind, and deaf. This is not a justice. This is not a freedom. This is not equality. This is, as a Muslim, this is not a freedom and a justice of Ummah. But this is an operation, an open operation against humanity and direct operation against Muslims. But remember, the cry of Palestine is not the cry of them, it's the cry of us. And yes, it's cry because of you. Because we stay silent, we stay divided, we turn away when they need us. Because we forgot that the Prophet Muhammad lives in the heart of every believer. And the pain of a heart is much far than the pain of any other thing. Yet, when bomb falls on children, everyone calls it self-defense. But when people fight for their freedom, they would call it terrorism. This is not justice. But the truth is, it is resistance. It's a cry of dignity. It's a cry of Palestine. My beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the believers are like one body. If one part hurts, the whole body feels the pain. So I ask you a question, whether you feel the pain, whether you are ready to sacrifice yourself, whether you are ready to sacrifice your beloved one, whether you are ready to sacrifice your wishes, or rather our parents ready to sacrifice us and hold our bodies like that the Palestinian parents hold us. But if the world say no, then listen. The Palestinian boy once said, Sa'ukhbirullah, 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 I will tell Allah on the day of judgment. I will tell Allah on the day of hope, on the day of freedom, on the day of equality. Brothers, we may not fight with the guns, but we can fight with our voices, with our spirit, with our brotherhood, with our unity. Because silence in front of injustice is support for injustice. But never lose a hope. Because no one can defeat or undo who stand with Allah Almighty. Please come back until the times move away. Please come back until you pop like that balloon pop few minutes back. Please come back until your hearts converts into the black stone. Let me conclude with this word. Just dead bodies are in my lap. Just dead bodies are in my lap. If someone asks why I am so sad, I say I am Palestine. I am Palestine. Jazakallah.